Have you ever started a new habit with excitement, only to give up after a few days? You promised yourself you'd wake up early, eat healthy, or exercise daily, but somehow, it didn't last. Don't worry, it's not because you're lazy or weak. It's because you never learned how habits truly work. In 2025, real success belongs to those who understand how to build habits that stick. Your life is shaped by your habits. What you do repeatedly becomes who you are. If you read daily, you become knowledgeable. If you work out daily, you become strong. Success doesn't come from one big decision, it comes from small choices repeated every single day. Step 1, start small, think big. Most people fail because they try to change too much at once. Start small. If you want to start reading, begin with 1 page a day. If you want to exercise, start with 5 minutes. It's not about how much you do, it's about being consistent. Small habits build momentum, and momentum builds results. Step 2, attach new habits to old ones. This method is called habit stacking. Link your new habit to something you already do. For example, after brushing my teeth, I will drink a glass of water. It's simple, automatic, and powerful. Step 3, track your progress. When you track your habits, you see your growth. Use a notebook or an app, mark every successful day. Each check mark reminds you that you're improving. Remember, what gets tracked, gets improved. Step 4, focus on identity, not results. Don't say, I want to lose weight. Say, I am becoming a healthy person. Don't say, I want to study more. Say, I am becoming a disciplined learner. When your identity changes, your habits automatically align with it. Building habits that last is not about perfection, it's about consistency. Even small progress every day leads to big success. So start today. Stay consistent. And let your habits shape your future in 2025 and beyond. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure to set the bell icon on all so you never miss a new motivational video.